Welcome back, everybody. We have a new pop-up for August here. This release is a little bit late. So here is what we are doing this month. So this is the template for August. It is a birthday card. But the fun part about this is with this design, there are a couple other elements that comes with that you can change the tone or the reason for giving it. So we have, this would be for the front, you have to be Kitten Me, and this would be the inside banner on the front right there where it says happy birthday, so you can do that with that. And we have, this is for the front as well. If you want to use it for the front, you can use it anywhere actually if you want. We have this kitten holding a bouquet of flowers, and of course that one. So the template also has the backing part. That's upside down. And it has some other banner parts. You are perfect. I don't know if I showed that one or not. Just like smiling kitty cat. So this is going to be available on Patreon for subscribers. So make sure you check the links for that. Most of the pop-up templates are for subscribers only. There are some free releases on there, so you can check that out too if you want. But let's get going here on this. So the parts that I just showed you, those, we got the backing sheet. We got the plain kittens that go on the inside. Let's see, and we got these parts. So we have 4 of these, 2 slots, and a tab. And then we have this part. This is the back. The tab goes on the left side. Then we have the middle part with 4 slots, and then the front. And the tab goes to the right on the front. So the first thing you want to do is just take the back, and then we're going to put the slots in like that. So just put those in. Last one. So those are going like that. And then to put the middle in, I like to flip it upside down. It's a little easier to do it this way. So then we're just going to slide that in the middle. Like that. So then I'm going to turn it back over. And the tabs go towards the front. And I like to bend them all one direction. Doesn't matter which direction you bend it. And then you're going to want to choose which banners you want to put on here and put those on here. I already put these ones on here. Because this is the second time I'm recording the video and I messed up on the first one. It didn't record. So, I already put mine on. We're going to go with the It's Your Birthday because we're going to put this one on the front. The You Gotta Be Kidding Me part. So, when you got your tabs bent, either to the right or to the left, and then you can put your adhesive on. And the most important part is when putting this final part on is to make sure everything is square and one part isn't higher than the other. Because if this goes on crooked, it's not going to open right. It's going to fold weird. It may crease and won't open or close right. So I like to set this part on a flat surface, make sure everything's pushed in, level, square. And then I'm going to just fold this tab so it doesn't go push down or whatever. And then I'm just going to line up this edge with that edge of the tab. Like that. So that one side is touched, and then I'm just going to close it. And that should line up the other ones as long as keep everything make sure everything stays square as possible. Like that. I'm a little off, but it'll be fine. So there's our pop-up box part. And now you're going to take your backing sheet. The backing sheet is used to help place the box so that stays square. The right side has a slot and the left side has a slot. So you're just going to take the front tab, folds like this, and then up. And the back tab folds back and up. And you just stick those in the slots in the backing sheet here. Oops. So it's going to be like that. I'm just going to close it. Make sure everything is square. Keep it as square as possible. Hold it closed. And then I'm going to put some adhesive on one tab. Flip it over, square it up if I need to again. Fold that back a little bit. Adhesive on that tab, put that down. So there's that. And then I'm going to put adhesive on the back. One part I did forget to mention is this design is for a 5x7 card. This will not fit in a smaller card unless you shrink the template down, then it will. But this one is made specifically for a 5x7 card. So I'm just going to put adhesive on both sides here. And again, this is available to Patreon subscribers to the $10 a month level. If you subscribe, you get this template and all the previous ones I've released. And as long as you stay subscribed, you get the future ones as well. There is a lower tier for $5 a month. And you get patterns and other elements, but none of the pop-up templates. All right, so we got our adhesive on both sides. I'm gonna square everything up again just to make sure. Then take your base card and push that into your spine. And then close the card. All right, so there is our pop-up box. Now we just got to put the cats on. And we are done with this one. This one's super quick to go together, simple to do. So we're gonna do him first, just put adhesive on his little paw on the back. And then he goes on the back panel. Just keep your card fully open. And then you can place him wherever you want, basically, on the back like that. So there's that one. And then this one has a cutout, so you put his feet in the front and that part in the back just to hold him in place. And again, you can put him wherever you want, but I'm going to put him like right there. Right in the middle. Middle. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on his belly there. There's him. Or her. And then the last one we attach to that tab right there. Just like that. There. This card is finished. Pretty neat, I think. Then you just gotta put your front design on, whatever you chose. You can use your own, you can use mine. The choice is yours. Make sure we got the front. There. You gotta be kidding me. It's your birthday. And that is the card. And again, this is available for Patreon subscribers, so if you're interested in this or the previous pop-up releases, make sure you check with the link. Drop me a like or a comment on what you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next tutorial.